Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Welcome to Mega Botany Test number 1 from Biopoint. So let's wait for all the participants to enter the quiz. The code for today's Slido quiz is 75072. 75072. Go to slido.com and use the code 75072. Join fast into the quiz. Mega Botany Test number 1 from Biopoint. I'm activating the quiz in 3, 2, 1 and activating the quiz. Let every participant join the quiz. I'll wait for all the participants for joining into the quiz. Go to slido.com and use the code 75072. Yes, we have students joining the quiz. Only 2 students. Yes, we have the today's topper for the morning session, Vaishnavi. Wish everybody all the best. I think being at the night time, only this much students are there. Okay, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, starting the quiz in 3, 2, 1. And all your eyes on the screen, you will witness the very first question of the Mega Botany test. Don't forget to click the like button. And all your eyes on the screen, you will witness the very first. Don't forget to click the like button. And all your eyes on the screen. Yes. Starting the quiz, all your eyes on the screen. Those who haven't joined the session yet, go to slider.com and use the code 75072. We have Pranav, Sneka, GB, Ashish, Dhruvat, Dima, Mohit, Parthan, Sweetie, GB, Zaurav, Sneka, Kakani, Payal, Kakate, Dima, Vaishnavi, Ansh, Devansh, all these rhythm. So the first question on the screen. You have the leaderboard only after the 25th question of the Mega Botany test number 1. The label of a herbarium sheet does not contain information on option A, date of collection, B, name of collector, C, local name, and option D, height of the plant. First question of the Mega Botany test number 1. Yes, 94% of the students with the correct answer for the question. The label of a herbarium sheet does not contain information on the height of the plant, whereas it contains information on the date of collection, name of collector, local name. Second question on the screen. Nomenclature is governed by certain universal rules. Which one of the following is contrary to the rules of nomenclature? Option A, biological names can be written in any language. The first word in a biological name represents a genus name and the second is the species epithet. C, the names are to be written in Latin and italic. D, when written by hand, the name are to be underlined. The majority answer, oh good, 19 students playing the quiz. The correct answer is option A. Without any doubt, the 79% of the students are perfect. Perfect with the answer. Guys, for example, if you write an example, Homo sapiens, being a handwriting, I should have to underline it separately. The first word in the biological name represents the genus Homo. Most of you guys are taking all the Telegram quizzes as well as the Slido quizzes. They're not taking it to be serious. Please, guys, take it to be serious. All these are previous year questions. I'm making you the genius of bio. These all are the questions which you could see in your question paper for Neet 2020. Sure. Guaranteed MCQs only I include in my quizzes. Okay. The second is a species epithet. Those who have attended the Mega Marathon number 1. Those who have attended the LMR of Biopoint last week, LMR or the Mega Marathon. I have explained about these things. About the species epithet. The names are always written in Latin or italic when they are printed. They are written in italics. Okay. Third question on the screen. I'm not wasting your precious time. I'm just explaining the answers where you are getting wrong. Simple question again on Mega Botany test number 1. Stomata in grass leaf are option A, rectangular, B, kidney shaped, C, dumbbell shaped, and D, barrel shaped. Yes, majority answer 95 percentage. Guys, I don't know who is this person who have voted for this barrel shaped. Have you learned about a barrel shaped guard cell in anatomy of flowering plants? No, you have learned about the kidney shaped guard cell. The kidney shaped guard cell in case of dicot plants and dumbbell shaped guard cell in case of monocot. Grass is a monocot. These persons, these 5% of the students who are attending the quiz are not taking it to be serious. I cannot do anything for that. Okay. So 95% with the correct answer. Fourth question on the screen. Hope everyone is competing for the topper. Secondary xylem and phloem in dicot stem are produced by option A, phelogen, B, vascular cambium, C. Apical meristem, and option D. Axillary meristem. Phalogen, vascular cambium, apical meristem, and axillary meristem, secondary xylem and phloem in a dicot stem are produced by. Yes, good. We have 24%. 71% of you guys have voted for the correct answer. Good. Those who haven't joined the Slido quiz yet, go to slido.com and use the code 75072. 75072 is the Slido code for the day. Fifth question. Very simple question from Morphology of Flowering Plants. Nematophores occur in carnivorous plants, free-floating hydrophytes, halophytes, submerged hydrophytes. Okay. 87% with the correct answer, halophytes. Those who are on the chat box, give me a thumbs up fast. Okay. Sixth question. Casparian strips occur in option A cortex, B pericycle, C epidermis, and D endodermis. Cortex, pericycle, epidermis, and endodermis. Fast. Casparian strips occur in cortex, pericycle, epidermis, and endodermis. Yes, 85% of the students have voted for the correct answer, endodermis. Seventh question out of 25 on the screen. Again, a simple, humble question from Neet Mega Botany Test. Number 1. Sweet potato is a modified. Option A taproot, B adventitious root, C stem, D rhizome. Sweet potato is a modified. Guys, those who are not able to join into the quiz, you can watch the live streaming in the YouTube right now and you can comment upon the answers on the chat box. I am reading your chats also. Yes, we have 71% of the students given with the correct answer for the question. You can comment your answer, Nila. Okay, Payal Kakade, then Sri Gayu, all these persons. Those who are on the live stream can chat with me using the chat box. You can comment your answers also. Eighth question. This is a repeated year question. Certain years repeated year question. Coconut fruit is a option A berry, B nut, capsule, and drupe. Comment me the answer. Don't worry whether it is wrong or right. Comment me the answer on the chat box. Yes. Coconut fruit. I got the answer to be drupe on the chat box. Let's check the majority answer for the question. Yes, good. 92% of you guys have voted with the correct answer, that is drupe. Good. Ninth question on the screen. Which of the following is made up of dead cells? Which of the following is made up of dead cells? Option A, collenchyma, B, phellem, C, phloem, and option D, xylem parenchyma. Which of the following is made up of dead cells? Yes, let's have a majority decision. Somebody asked me on the chat box, what does drupe means? Drupe is actually the fleshy part of the fruit with a thin skin. Okay, for example, you can see plum, cherry, almond, olive, all these things are drupe. Okay, coconut is an example for dry drupe. Clear, everyone? Okay. Next, the majority answer for the question, phellem. Correct. Next is 10th question on the screen. Radial symmetry is found in the flowers of dianthus, argemone, brassica, citrus. Yes, radial symmetry is found in the flowers of direct MCQ from the chapter Morphology of Flowering Plants. Persons on the live stream, comment me the answer on the chat box. Don't take too much time for the answers. Okay? Because all these are simple questions. Fast. The answer is brassica. Brassica shows radial symmetry. Okay, Nila, it is not argemone. The answer is brassica. Next, in the morning session also the same question was there. Those who have took the quizzes seriously instead of being it a time pass must answer this question correctly. Perisperm differs from endosperm in being a haploid tissue, having no reserve food, being a diploid tissue, its formation by the fusion of secondary nucleus with several sperm. Fast. Yes. Look, the condition in the morning session was more pathetic. Now also there is no good that I can say. The same option without even changing the order. These four options. Then also voting with the wrong answers again. Guys, now you take into your mind that perisperm is a haploid tissue. Endosperm is a triploid. Okay? You are not taking the quizzes to be serious. That's the matter. That's the matter. Next question. Which of the following element is responsible for maintaining turgor inside the cells? Option A, potassium, sodium, magnesium, calcium. Which of the following is necessary or responsible for maintaining the turgor inside the cells? Yes? Yes, I getting option D from Vinit Sonman. Yes, it is the correct answer. Option D, calcium. No, responsible. You are getting the questions like this. The correct answer is potassium. Calcium in the morning session, I told you where you remember in the myosin. Binding of myosin, I told about the concept of calcium. Calcium ion helps in the binding of the particle, binding of the myosin fragments. Here in the guard cells, the main important element is potassium. Vinith, is it clear? Vinith, is it clear by now? Actually, I also got confused when I got all these D answers on the chat box. Okay, perfect. Fine. Moving on to the next question, 13 question. Stomatal movement is not affected by. Stomatal movement is not affected by oxygen concentration, light, temperature, carbon dioxide concentration. Stomatal movement is not affected by oxygen concentration, light, temperature, carbon dioxide concentration. Yes, the answers on the chat box. Yes, I am getting Vachini Shri. Answer to be A, option A. Nila D. Yes, all these are previous year MCQs from plant physiology or botany. Yes, Shalini Impraj, it is oxygen concentration. Yes. Yes, the answer is oxygen concentration. Good. I got the answers from many persons. Varshini Shri, Vinit Sonman, then Nila, please take the answer to be option A. It is not carbon dioxide concentration. Then I got the correct answer from another person. Payal Kakade, not light. Okay. The answer is oxygen concentration. Another person, Shalini Impraj, also gave me the correct answer. 14th question on the screen. Which of the following criteria does not pertain to facilitated transport? Which of the following does not pertain to facilitated transport? Transport saturation, uphill transport, requirement of special membrane protein, high selectivity. Same question came from your yesterday's Slido quiz. Yesterday's Slido quiz from plant physiology, you got this question. Same question. Yes. The answer is uphill transport. Excellent. Excellent. Good. Good. 15th question on the screen. Transpiration and root pressure cause water crisis in plants by. Don't forget to press the like button before you leave the class. We are doing you this much of effort to make the quizzes and everything show your love and support back to us in the form of like and increasing the number of subscribers and view. Transpiration and root pressure cause water crisis in plants by option A, pulling and pushing it respectively, pushing it upward, pushing and pulling it respectively, pushing it upwards. Yes, the correct answer by 64% of the students. Transpiration pulling and root pressure pushing. 16th question. We have 10 more questions remaining. Oxygen is not produced during photosynthesis by cycas, nostoc, green sulfur bacteria, Chara. Cycas, nostoc, green sulfur bacteria, Khara. Oxygen is not produced during photosynthesis by. Yes, getting the answers to be C on my chat box. Yes, 78% of you guys have voted for the correct answer. It is green sulfur bacteria. Next, 17th question on the screen. Double fertilization is option A, fusion of two gametes with one egg, B, fusion of one male gamete with two polar nuclei, Z, fusion of two male gamete of a pollen tube with two different egg, D, syngamy and triple fusion. I hope at least one person score 25 on 25 for this mega botany test number 1, because all these are level 1 questions, simple questions, simple previous year question. Yes, 88% of you guys have voted for the correct answer. Double fertilization involves syngamy and triple fusion. Okay. Next, 18th question. Which of the following is not a product of light reaction or photosynthesis? Option A, NADPH, B, NADH, C, ATP, and option D, oxygen. Which of the following is not a product of light reaction? Question from yesterday's Slido quiz. Yesterday's Slido quiz also contains the same question. Yes, join. Okay. Correct answer by 67% of the students. NADH is the correct answer for the question. 19th question on the screen. We have 6 more to complete. Gray spot of oat are caused by the deficiency of iron, copper, zinc, and manganese. Yes, I could see the answers. Yes. We have 43% with the answer zinc. The correct answer for the question is option D, manganese. Gray spot of oat are caused by the deficiency of manganese. Okay, please make it clear by now. 20th question. We have 5 more questions remaining in this mega botany test number 1. Hope you all studied at least a new question from the quiz instead of wasting your precious 20 to 30 minutes. The major role of minor elements inside living organism is to act as binder of cell structure, cofactors of the enzyme, building blocks of important amino acid, constituencies of hormone. Yes, yes. The correct answer is option B, cofactors of the enzyme, the major role of the minor elements inside the living organism. 21st question on the screen. A nitrogen fixing microorganism, a nitrogen fixing microbe associated with azolla in rice field is Spirulina, Anabena, Frankia, Toli, Potrix. Nitrogen fixing microbe associated with azolla in rice field is Spirulina, Anabena, Frankia, and Tolipotrix. Yes, 74% of you guys with the right answer. I could see 27 people doing the quiz right at the moment. 22nd question, we have three more to go to end this mega botany test number one. 22nd question on the screen. In a chloroplast, the highest number of protons are found in option A stroma, B lumen of thylakoid, C inner membrane space, option D antennae complex. The spelling is wrong. It is ANTE. Antennae complex. Stroma, lumen of thylakoid, inner membrane space, antennae complex. The highest number of protons in a chloroplast are found in. Yes, 82% with a good answer. Lumen of thylakoid. Two more questions remaining. We have the 23rd question on the screen now. Best defined function of manganese in green plants is. Best defined function of manganese in green plants is. Question from the chapter Mineral Nutrition. Very important. Photolysis of water, Calvin cycle, nitrogen fixation, water absorption. Tomorrow morning also you will have the slider quiz plus one motivational session on Neet 2020 students. Don't miss the motivational session also, which is going to commence tomorrow morning. Yes, 86% of you guys voted with the correct answer, photolysis of water. Okay, second last question on the screen. Fruit and early drop at early stages can be prevented by the application of ethylene, auxin, gibberellic acid, cytokinin. Okay, auxin. Auxin is the correct answer for the question. Last and the final question from the chapter Plant Growth and Development on the screen. Plants deficient of element zinc show its effect on the biosynthesis of plant growth hormone, abscisic acid, auxin, cytokinin, and ethylene. Plant deficient of zinc element show its effect on the biosynthesis of plant growth hormone, abscisic acid, auxin, cytokinin, and ethylene. 60 percentage, 25 students. Let's have the final leaderboard, the last, and let's check who is the winner for the quiz. As I already remembered, tomorrow you will have the slider quiz in the morning, as exactly how we do. Right at 10 o'clock or 10:30, I'll inform the timing in the Telegram group. Then you have a motivational session for NEET 2020 students. Absolute NEET bumper, NEET package. So the leaderboard and the winner for today's amazing mega botany test on the screen. Good. We have Hema 25 on 25 in the first position. Then we have Vaishnavi, Pranav, GB, Payal, Kakade. Good, Hema. I don't know from which group you are. Anyway, big congratulations. Big congratulations. You are perfect with your plant botany syllabus. You are perfect with your botany syllabus. That's a big promise that I can guarantee you. If you work more hard on biology, you will score 350 plus out of 360 on your bio. Sure. Because you score 25 on 25 for this mega botany test number one. Good. So deactivating the quiz. A very big thanks to all who participated in the quiz. Yes. So ending the quiz. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Congratulations to Hema. So good night, everyone. Take